Namaskar. Today we are at Handloom Handicraft Exporters Welfare Association's second Global Sourcing and Export Leadership Awards 2024. Madam, heartiest congratulations for this award from the Uttar Pradesh Minister Rakesh Sachan.
Thank you so much, sir.
How do you feel after receiving this award, madam?
It is a wonderful feeling that the buying and sourcing consultants are finally recognized in the industry. I've been here for 50 years. Out of 50 years, I've been here for 45 years. So I have seen the struggle of the buying agents to build the businesses and to bring the exporters up to mark. And I'm very proud of this moment. Thank you so much.
To whom you would like to dedicate this award, madam?
I would definitely like to dedicate it to my father from the army, who is no more, who gave me the courage and the inspiration to do what I wanted to do in this life.
What you would like to say about the contribution of HEWA in the promotion of handicraft, handloom handicraft exports?
I think HEWA has started in the right step because they are taking the whole industry as a totality instead of just one product. So they are looking at the buying and sourcing consultants, they are looking at the textiles, they are looking at the hard goods, Moradabad, all the cities they are covering, especially in UP, which is a hub for all these fabrics, etc. Thank you.
Can you please, tell us about your focus areas, of services?
So my focus area in services is actually to bring the buyers into India, and I've worked in 22 countries. And I was heading operations for a high-level brand in the US for 15 years and also another company in Spain. Then I have my own company. My focus now actually is more philanthropic towards the industry to build the buying agents and sourcing and give them the benefits that they are lacking. We do not have marketing development assistance from the government, and neither do we have any loan facility to build our marketing. So I think it is time that the government looked at this service industry of consultants working so keenly without a penny in their pockets to build this business. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to 10 News.